If you'd like to see how I'm going to customize and completely transform this LED mirror compact light into this lovely rhinestone and planner charm embellished light, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video, I am going to be adding some embellishments to this cute little compact mirror. This mirror was no more than about $8 on Amazon. And it's so cute because it's actually dimmable. So there's 3 different light settings. And they have the ones where you can charge them with a little battery, or you can get the ones that are rechargeable. This one is rechargeable. So I'm going to start off by just taking some sandpaper and just roughing up the surface of this. You can also use some scissors and score it that way if you like to. But before I start to go ahead and jazz up this compact mirror, I am going to make some cute little decor. So I'm going to use some UV resin, some glitter, and I'm just going to take these little bear molds. You may have seen me use these little bears in other craft videos. I really like them. This glitter came from Michael's. And I'm just going to take my LED lamp, let that cure for a couple minutes, and take out these other little decor pieces. So I just recently got hip to this website that has these really pretty planners and super cute laser cut planners from planetplanner.com. So check her out. Now I'm also making another bear, and I'm going to use like a darker pink glitter. I wasn't exactly sure what I wanted to do with this compact mirror, but I know that I wanted to use something that I had made with the UV resin. So this doesn't take long at all. You just want to add your glitter in, stir it up, and make sure when you top it off that you don't overflow it. And these just take a couple minutes literally, and you can get everything you need off Amazon. So let me go ahead and demold my bears. Look at that, super cute. It's like some cute little pastel-y glitters. And this is like a little fine glitter fuchsia bear. Cute. Now, I may or may not use some of these pieces, but I like to have a nice little variety of stuff to work with. So I have this other little cute perfume bottle mold that I got off Amazon as well a while ago. So I'm going to attempt to make this be like two-tone so that the actual lid to the perfume is different colors than the actual bottle. And I'm just taking a straw just to kind of stir everything around, and I'm going to let this cure under the lamp for a couple minutes as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and demold these perfume bottles. These glitters came from Michael's as well, Recollections. That is super cute. This one is pretty big. It's super cute as well. And I had an idea, like, okay, these are perfume bottles. They're cute and all, but what if I added a little bit of vinyl, like decals to these, to really give them like some flair? So I got on my Silhouette Cameo. I'm wiping them off with alcohol first, and then I'm going to let that dry. And I think I did maybe 1 inch by 1 inch, and maybe a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. And I just cut out like a Gucci and a Chanel drip logo. And I'm just going to place that on there as straight as I can. It may be a little crooked, but I'm not going to worry about it. And I'm just going to take an old gift card, smooth that on. I wasn't even sure, you guys, if it was going to stay or not, because I had never did this before, which I'm glad that I did, because it actually did stay and it came out so cute. So what I'm going to do is just make sure that that's on there really good. I didn't know if it was going to stay. If it wasn't going to stay, I was going to just kind of lay it on there and maybe go over it with a glaze of UV resin. But I actually felt it smooth on there, so it stayed. Look how cute these are. I may make some of these and put them on my website. I don't know. Look at those. And now look at these bears. Now I'm ready to rock and roll because I have some options, okay? Okay, so what I did was kind of lay the things on the compact mirror. I didn't glue them down, so I didn't skip a step. I just laid these on here to kind of have an idea of where I wanted things to go. So if you don't want to use UV resin, that is completely fine, you guys. I like to use it because it's a quick hold. And I just like to use it sometimes. But you definitely can use liquid fusion, or you can use E6000, which is a very popular glue amongst the craft world. So I'm just going to go piece by piece because sometimes with this UV resin, things will start sliding. And once you put it under that lamp, it's pretty much locked on there. I mean, you can pry it off, but you'll still have like that big hunk of solidified UV resin. And it can get kind of, you know, difficult. So I have my two pieces on. Again, that larger size planner of that woman, and the lips, that came from Planner Planet. Or is it Planet Planner? It's one of them. Just Google it or go to her Instagram. She has some bomb.com pieces. Like, seriously. So now I'm using a pearl that's pretty much the same color as the compact mirror. Now, these do come in multiple colors on Amazon. They had black, they had blue, silver, they have white, and I want to say they may have lavender. But you know, if it's a color that you want and they still don't have it, all you got to do is paint over it. You can either do a Sharpie or you can use some craft paint, and you can do it that way. Me personally, I do like a hotter or a more neon pink, but this is still really cute. And of course, when I got my mirror, my daughters wanted one. They're 9 and they're 3, and they're really girly as well. So I'm going to be helping them with their mirrors as well. They also have like a bigger mirror that's more of like a rectangle shape. I ordered one of those too. Now, these make really, really cute gifts, you guys. I was thinking like, you know, well, people get married all year long, but like wedding season is coming up. This would be nice to give to your bridesmaids. This would be a gift to a bride. Absolutely. You can use her wedding colors, or you could just make it just be really cute and just put Mrs. whatever her name is, bling that out, and then go around the outside of it with rhinestones and pearls. I got some really cute ideas popping up. I like to help people think of cute, affordable DIY gifts because I'm a gifter. I like to give people gifts, and especially because I do so many different DIYs, sometimes I have more things than I need to have around the house. So I like to already have in my mind who it's going to be for. Now, also, this didn't take long at all. I'm using UV resin, so it's locking on and it's basically curing pretty much instantly. So if you're in a hurry and you need to do something last minute, UV resin is the way to go. Now, this is a bigger size UV resin. I'm getting bigger bottles because I use it so frequently. I want to say I got these 2 bottles for probably about about 20 bucks, which isn't bad. And a little bit goes a long way. So I'm actually almost finished, you guys, and I'm going to show you the final result. And I'll show you where I made a little mistake, but it's not that big of a deal because this is for me. But just be a little cautious of how you line it up. I should have opened it up and saw what the front part was. You'll see. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this LED dimmable compact mirror that I purchased from Amazon for under $10. It was like $7, you guys. Now, remember, they do have 2 different options. You can have the one that takes batteries, like, you know, like the little watch batteries. It takes 2 watch batteries. Or you can get the one that's rechargeable. This one is rechargeable. Now, if you don't mind ordering more batteries and fumbling around with that, then get the one with the batteries. Now, if you think it's more convenient, like how I think, get the one that's has a little LED, has like a little USB. The cord is super short. It doesn't come with the box, but most people have those charger outlet boxes already. So yeah, just get that. I should have showed you the cord, but the cord is super short. If you have the same type of cord for like an old cell phone or something, you could use that. Now, to show you where I made a little mistake, as you can see when it's open, I got everything like to the side. So just make sure when you do it, before you get started, just open it up from the front and look and see where the front is and just line things up that way. But I'm not upset about it. It's still super cute. I love it. You know what I'm saying? And I really think that it came out really nice. Like I said, it's super quick. If you were to gift this to someone and use the colors that they like, the basketball, baseball team they like, whatever idea you have, and they wouldn't have any idea that you spent under $10 for this compact mirror. If the compact mirror didn't light up, it'd still be cute, but it lighting up just changes the whole game. You know, you could be somewhere where it's low light and you want to check your nose, make sure your nose is clear, look in the corner of your eye, make sure your blush is right, or whatever the case. This is super cute and I love it. But thanks you guys for watching this video. I hope you did find it helpful. And share it on Facebook if you can. Send it to someone who may be interested in something like this. If you do pop-up shops, have your own business, maybe you want to add these little compact lights to your business. You know what I'm saying? I think that'd be a really good idea. Add this to your inventory. I may do a few and add them to the website. I don't know. But thanks you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.